Personal experiences taught me that being poor, living paycheck to paycheck, and living under a mountain of debt is extremely stressful for you and for the loved one. In fact, money is a principal cause of conflict between partners and family members. Therefore, it is obvious that you need to set or even reset your financial situation on the right path. A path that will lead you to a debt-free life and most likely will make you wealthy. To know more, watch this video. As per the first two videos of this series, we understand why we're living paycheck to paycheck and, therefore, why we feel poor at the end of the month. We also realized that we need a budget to get out of this poverty trap and that we may need to do overtime or find a side job to get out of debt. Those videos were part 1 and 2, discovery and reset respectively. Now it is time to improve the situation. First, we need to identify sustainable opportunities to increase our income. For obvious reasons, we cannot do overtime or have a part-time job for the rest of our life. It is fine for a short to medium term, but I am sure you want to enjoy your life instead of dying on the job. As Warren Buffett said, if you can't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Please understand the difference between having a part-time job or doing overtime to survive and having a side hustle to potentially start a business. These are really two different beasts. In fact, I strongly suggest to everyone to have a side hustle in the hope to become your own boss one day and to get out of the rat race once for all. To get back to the point, once you have your budget set up, that you have a second job to pay your debt, it is time to have a real long-term solution. With this, how can you improve your financial situation? Well, the first step is to increase your hourly or yearly income. But how? Try to find a better job with better benefits. Look for a promotion. Say yes to opportunities. Think about it. How many times have you said no to a career opportunity simply because you thought you were not capable or not worthy for it, or it would be too hard? Be careful. This does not mean to say yes to everything. And remember, this job or opportunity must give you a better salary and a better life balance within a short time frame. Otherwise, it is not worth it. Keep in mind that everything, I mean absolutely everything, is negotiable during an interview. Do not undersell yourself. If they cannot give you more money, check if they can give you more vacation, a bonus, better benefits, work from home, a flexible schedule, etc. The sky is the limit. If they can't give you a better salary or advantages, it is probably not the opportunity you are looking for. Again, do not undersell yourself, but sometimes a lateral move can be a springboard for something better. Also, to have new opportunities, you will need to study and to keep yourself updated with the industry. You may have to return to school either in a full-time or part-time manner. Or at least, what about doing some online trainings, seminars, webinars, and others? The second step is to start building or improving your credit score. Your credit score is important as it has a direct impact on your borrowing ability and the interest rate. A bad credit score can prevent you from qualifying for certain types of financial products like credit card, mortgages, and loans. We will cover in another video some techniques to improve your credit score. Third, think about consolidating your debts with better terms. Debt consolidation is a process of combining multiple debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate. The benefit of a debt consolidation loan is that you will lower the overall interest rate on your debt and only have a single monthly payment, which some find more convenient than making multiple payments on multiple debts. Managing a single monthly payment could help you get out of debt more easily. Fourth, what about calling your creditors to negotiate your debt balance? I know how this sounds, but most of the creditors will prefer working with you and find a solution instead of going through the debt reconciliation process. This process is very expensive for the creditors as the debt collector agency buys the debt from the collectors for pennies on a dollar. So creditors can be surprisingly forgiving, and many settle for much less than what you owe them and may even set you up on a repayment plan. Yes, this will affect your credit score, but it is much better than a bankruptcy. To learn more, watch the bonus section. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video to be notified every time a new one comes out. I started my financial journey about 25 years ago when I realized that my debt level was unsustainable and that I had nothing under my name. I needed to battle my way out of debt for years. At that time, there are days the only thing I had in my refrigerator were cold water and cheap bread. This bread was water-based instead of milk-based because it was cheaper. Often, I drank RC Cola instead of regular cola because I was able to buy 6 liters of RC Cola for the price of 2 liters of regular cola. I put a no-name peanut butter that tasted like plastic on my fake bread instead of Kraft peanut butter because I could not afford the Kraft one. It was a sad and difficult story, but I learned a lot and it forced me to change. Now, I know better and I am in much better financial situation. I am debt-free for years now and I intend to stay like this. Let's get back to the core of this video. The last step before investing is to have 3 to 6 months worth of essential money available. To achieve this, you need to learn to say no to new gadgets and avoid instant gratification. If you are bored, instead of watching infomercial on TV which tries to sell you useless thing, or going on Amazon to buy something you do not need, why not reading a book about finance or playing the cash flow game from Rich Dad Poor Dad or playing the Monopoly game? You can play the cash flow game at the following site. Those games will teach you how to stay debt-free and to invest in real assets. This 3 to 6 months of essential money is called an emergency fund. Without this, you will end up in debt again. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video to be notified every time a new one comes out. With all of this, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.